The product is CHR 4-7/8 PopUp Stopper. Easy and simple use kit. The product is manufactured in China. Chrome-plated. Lavatory PopUp Stopper. Plastic body. Replacement PopUp Stopper. Fits Moen units, 4-7/8 inch long. Chrome-plated. Lavatory PopUp Stopper. Plastic body. Replacement PopUp Stopper. Fits Moen units, 4-7/8 inch long. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. This was purchased to replace a 30-year-old stopper that had been leaking for a while. It did not hold water when shut by the plunger. The plunger was adjusted and that didn't work. Even holding the old plunger tight against the drain opening with finger did not stop the leak. So, I found this one at Amazon and purchased the plunger. When it was installed and the stopper was closed with the plunger, it held water for several days with no leak at all. A success.